Next example, 8 minus 2n, n from 1 to infinity. Is the sequence converges or diverges? For that, what is the limit value? Limit n tends to infinity. 8 minus 2n is, as at n tends to infinity, minus, it is minus infinity. Okay, 8 is a small number related with infinity. Okay, so it is minus infinity. So the sequence diverges. Next one, find the limit of sequence n by e raised to n, n from 1 to infinity. So here n by e raised to n, what is the limit value as n tends to infinity? It is infinity by e raised to infinity is infinity. So infinity by infinity. So in this case, this limit is called indeterminate form. Indeterminate form. So in the case of indeterminate form, we can apply L'Hospital's rule. So by L'Hospital's rule, if you get a limit as infinity by infinity, 0 by 0, etc. So how will you find the limit value? Limit n tends to infinity, f of n by g of n is limit n tends to infinity, f dash of n by g dash of n. That is, if it is infinity by infinity or 0 by 0, limit is equal to, find the derivatives of the numerator and denominator separately. Not using any quotient rule, just find the derivative of the numerator right here and find the derivative of the denominator right here. Then apply the limit n tends to infinity. If it is finite, then it is the limit value. So if it is against infinity by infinity or 0 by 0, again we can apply the rule. That is, again find the derivative of the numerator, f double dash, derivative of the denominator, g double dash, and etc. etc. until you get a finite number. Okay, so that is the rule, L'Hospital's rule. So here limit n tends to infinity, n by e raised to n. So applying L'Hospital's rule, what is the derivative of the numerator? N with respect to n, it is 1. Okay, 1. Then e raised to n derivative, e raised to n itself. So as n tends to infinity, it is 1 by e raised to infinity. That is 1 by infinity. 1 by infinity is 0. So 0 is a finite number. So this is the limit. Limit n tends to infinity, n by e raised to n is 0. So the sequence converges to 0. Okay. Similarly, next one. Show that limit n tends to infinity, nth root of n is equal to n. What is the meaning of nth root of n? It is n raised to 1 by n. Nth root of n is n raised to 1 by n. So applying the limit n tends to infinity, infinity raised to 1 by infinity. 1 by infinity is 0. So it is infinity raised to 0. Okay, this is also an indeterminate form. So again we can apply L'Hospital's rule. So before that, you have to convert this one as the form infinity by infinity or 0 by 0. So this is to be converted in these two. Okay. So for that, let k be the question. That is n raised to 1 by n, k aayittu edukka. Find the logarithm. Okay, log n, log k will be limit n tends to infinity. Okay. What is log a raised to b? It is b log a. Log a raised to b is b log a. So it is 1 by n log n. Now it is a fraction, log n by divided by n. So applying the limit, infinity, log infinity, infinity, infinity. By infinity by infinity aayile. So you can apply L'Hospital's rule, which is log k is equal to limit n tends to infinity. Find the derivative of the numerator. What is the derivative of log n? 1 by n. What's the derivative of n? It is 1. So it is 1 by n. As n tends to infinity, 1 by infinity, it is 0. So what is log k is 0. So what is k? K is e raised to 0. We are taking the natural logarithm. Okay. So e raised to, so the base is e. So e raised to 0, it is 1. Okay. So k is 1. So limit n tends to infinity, n raised to 1 by n is 1.